Watch this now, warm this some bass and this I represent for this as Kenton Watson. I want to them subscribe to YouTube channel. See? Check it out. Up like a rocket. See it there. Boom!
I love the sound of music, sweet lyrics, relaxing, energetic, therapeutic. Heals me when I'm sick, make me feel like I couldn't live without it. Even the sound of water dripping is enough to send me sleeping. The sound of the violin to me is like an angel singing. I love the sound of music, sweet lyrics, relaxing, energetic, therapeutic, heals me when I'm sick, make me feel like I couldn't live without it. The sound of water dripping is cool enough to send me sleeping. The sound of the violin to me it's like an angel singing. The sound of the saxophone have a tendency to bring me home. The sound of a Spanish guitar takes me very far. It was there I discovered the sound of silence and the power of its presence. Such a wonderful feeling. The time for listening. It doesn't mean that nothing ain't happening. Listening to the sound of water trickling. Silence is such a wonderful thing. Not because the music ain't playing, and for the first time I'm not dancing, I'm not jumping, not even looking exciting nor smiling. People know me for shouting. This time I'm listening to the birds singing. It's time for reflecting. So today I'm chilling. I'm not doing anything. I'm listening to the sound of silence, embracing the power of its presence. Sitting here, yet I'm over there. I'm everywhere. Then I just disappear back into the sound of silence, embracing the power of his presence. The sound of silence, embracing the power of his presence. Free like a bird, flying from tree to tree, sucking nectar from the flowers like a bee, visiting and grooming my favorite plants. A chance to do the things I always want. Listening to the sound of silence, embracing its presence. Visiting friends, spending times with the one I love, floating on the wings of the wind like a dove. Listening to the sound of silence, embracing its presence. Eat and drink whatever I think. I think I found a missing link. At last, I can go to places. Sit and observe without seeing or being disturbed. Stop for a moment. Pause the excitement. Let's try this treatment in the sound of silence. Listen to your heart. Go back to where you start. Find the answers. Reveal the secrets in the sound of silence. Embracing its presence. Thanks.